Welcome back. Till now, we discussed the flex access and the properties on the flex container or the parent element. Now, we are on the final phase of learning Flexbox, which is the flex items or the child elements. The flex items have various properties like orders, flex group, and all those things. We are going to discuss all of them now. So the first one is order. Basically, this is used to increase or decrease the order of an element to control its position. For example, let's say if you have 5 elements in a row, and let's say if you just no matter what the reason, it could be something completely dependent on the situation, but let's say if you have to display item 2 at the end without changing the order of the item in your HTML, you can easily do that by increasing the order of your element. So now let's say all items have order 0, they will be displayed or rendered like this. If I increase the order of a particular element, it will go ahead. If I decrease the order of a particular element, it will come back. So let's have a look at this in the example live. Let's open the boilerplate and let's go towards the order.html, and let's also open the order.css and let's open it on this side. Awesome. So I have this open, and very quickly let's open the output window or our web browser as well, and let's go to order. Again, the order property specifies the order of the flex items. A simple definition, as simple as that. By default, every item has the order 0, so they are mentioned or placed one after the other, 1 2 3 4 5. Now let's play around with the border a little bit. Awesome. Let's go to our sample boilerplate project, and let's have first of all, let's try to set every element with the same order. Let's try to do that. I have the class name as sample1, and I'll select all the children of class sample1, and here I'll put the order of, let's say, 0. They already have the order of, by default it's already that, and yeah, we see no change. And if we also change it to be something equal, something bigger, let's say 2 or 3 or 4, but still if everything is equal, then there will be no change, as you might have guessed. Now let's try to do this use case. Item 2 has order 1 and item 4 has order -1. Let's do one thing. Let's open our boilerplate code, and yeah, it's open here. Cool. So let's change the order back to 0, and let's copy and paste all of this and name it sample2. And just to be more accurate, I'll change the use case as well. I'll just copy this line from here and I'll paste it here just to provide a correct description. So item 2 has order 1 and item 4 has order -1. I'll change the name to sample2, and let's provide this sample2, and I'll select the nth child, which will be the second child, and I'll give the order as 1, and I'll also select sample2 of 4 and give it the order of -1. So as you might have guessed, on our screen item 1, first of all item 4 will appear, 4, then 1, then 3, then 5, then 2, because 2 has the highest order. Let's check it out. 4 1 3 5 2, as we guessed. Since item 2 has the highest order, it goes at the end, and since item 4 has the lowest order, it goes at the back. Now let's try out one final example, which is item 1 has order 1 and item 2 has order 2. Let's try it out. Let's copy and paste these items, and let's also copy this description to be more accurate here, and yeah, that's it. And let's name it sample3. Let's open our web browser Awesome. Now let's select sample 3 nth element and child, and order 1, like I mean the item 1 has order 1 and the or item 2 has order 2. So as you might have guessed, 2 will go at the rightmost thing part, 1 will be second to the end, and then 3, 4, 5 will be the first. So the order would be 3, 4, 5, 1 and 2. Let's check it out whether that's the case. 3, 4, 5, 1 and 2. That's it. And as simple as that, that is our order property. 1 down, 4 more to go. We will cover this very quickly in the upcoming videos. See you in the next video. Till then, enjoy the tutorials.